Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another crochet related video. So this video is gift ideas for Mother's Day, and if I've counted correctly, I've got 100 free patterns for you guys, and I probably could have collected more than that, but I was just like, oh my god, this is going to be so much to edit in terms of adding all the pictures in this video. So I stopped at 100, but I feel like I only scratched the surface of what patterns I could have provided and categories. I think this is probably the only video I'll do for a Mother's Day gift guide crochet stuff. If you need more like gift ideas, like crochet related stuff for anything, maybe I'll do another video, because oh my god, it's quite overwhelming once you fall down the internet. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, the sun is coming out and it's very bright. So before I start listing off every single pattern, picture, thing that I mention that pops up on the screen, it will be provided below in the description bar with either a written or video tutorial, which is free. Some are only videos, some are only written, some have both. So yeah, they'll all be down below in the order that I start listing them in this video. So the first category I'm going to start off with is coasters, and we're going to start off with these really cute flower coasters. I absolutely love these and I would love to make them for myself. Next we have these hexagon, I think it's a hexagon coasters. Looks quite simple, almost looks like a granny square, just obviously in a different shape. And then I've got like a classic flat circle coaster. I thought that would be perfect. Simple, classic, easy. And then I do have another circle one, but this one has, I don't know what kind of stitches around the edge. Looks kind of like a little puff stitch or something like that. But again, nice and classic, and I feel like a lot of people would like that kind of style. And then we've got these really cute ones, which again, I would love to make for myself. They have like, you know, just a little cute pattern around the outside. This one's a little bit niche. So if you know anybody who likes chickens / roosters, I provided this pattern here. Are they roosters? They got the little thing on their head and the, I was gonna say the little meat. I've also got an apple coaster. Honestly, you probably could go crazy in terms of the fruits and stuff like that, because I've got a watermelon coaster. I mean, the limit does not exist. I thought these ones were really cute. These are like a little, what, cacti coaster. So it's got like a brown pot, and then you've got the green coasters that you can put on the inside. And then we have some love heart coasters. Oh look, I was talking about the fruits before and I totally forgot that I had provided a bunch of fruits. So we've got oranges, lemon, pear, strawberry, apple, and watermelon again. I've been collecting these patterns for quite a while, so honestly I've forgotten half of the things that I've collected. And then I've got these really cute teddy bear coasters as well. So one of my faves, which I know has done the rounds on YouTube, you probably would be able to find even more than this one that I've provided. It's like a succulent coaster, so it comes with like the pattern for the little pot, and then you make the coasters, and then when you put it in, it looks like a succulent. There's so many on YouTube. If you just search it, it's all going to come up, but I do have this pattern provided. And then the last few patterns, I've got two different ones for an evil eye. I just thought of my mum because she loves the evil eye, and I actually have made her some of these coasters. I just want to weave in the ends and stuff like that. So I've got this one, and then we've got one that is like a single crochet, and they both have like a decorative edge. So next category we're moving over to is water bottle holders. If your mother-in-law, mother, I mean, this can be for anyone, but if you know that they are a water bottle girly, this would be perfect. So I've got like a classic one to start off with, very practical. And then we've got another one that actually comes with a pocket. I think it's actually a phone holder, so they can put their water bottle and then their phone in the pocket on the side. And then we've got this really cute one done with like a multicolored yarn. It reminds me kind of like a boho style. It's got some tassels. And then we've got this star stitch water bottle holder. I've never done a star stitch, but I'm assuming I could probably learn. But a very pretty stitch. I really like it. It looks nice and solid. And then we've got these water bottle holders, which are like It looks like it's all double crochet basically, so I would assume nice and simple. Most of the patterns I've searched said they were easy. Next we've got these ones, which I really do like. I think it's one of my favorites just because it's kind of got that beachy vibe to it, and I love the colors, like the brown, the blue, the white. And then we've got these ones here. Again, love the look of them, very like neat. I can't remember what this one was called. Jute water bottle holder. So this was like made out of quite a rough material. I don't know if the material was actually called jute. It looks like we've got like another shell stitch water bottle, and this one actually says any size, so I'm assuming they've got instructions to make it bigger or smaller. And then we've got this mint one here. I think we're coming to the end of the patterns. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my phone all the time because I'm keeping track of what I'm looking at. It's funny, I listed this as neat water bottle holder in my notes. It is very neat. It just looks very clean, but I really liked this one. And then I've got this Peekaboo bottle carrier. Again, I really liked the stitches in this one. Oh God, my daughter's awake. Ugh. So the next category we have are bags, and we're going to start off with this large granny square bag. This one looks like it's done with like a plush baby snuggles type of yarn. And then we're moving on to this body bag. I've actually never made a body bag, but I'm assuming it probably wouldn't be too hard and probably would be quite quick, because I think maybe 6 granny squares and you could make one. And then the next few bags are the classic granny square bags. I thought I had to mention these because they are so easy to do. So we've got this one here, and then we've got a daisy bag, and then we also have a sunflower bag. And obviously the ideas for these are endless. You could do any granny square you could think of. And then we've got this simple market bag, which looks like it's all done in double crochet. And then we've got another granny square market tote, which looks like it's done maybe in a big square, and then you end up folding it inwards and sewing it. So nice and simple. And then we've got this one which has a nice pattern to it. So if you want to do something different rather than just a plain single or double crochet, we've got this one. And then we've got this white and green bag. So this bag looks like it's a little bit more intricate just in terms of the bottom. I think it would probably be pretty easy once you got to it, and I think it would work up quick once you got past the base. This next bag is one of my favorites just in terms of the colors and the pattern. I would actually use this, and I feel like I need to make it for myself one day. I need to make a list of what I'm going to make for myself. And then we've got another larger kind of beachy vibe. So the next 2 bags I've got, it looks like majority done with single crochet, which can be a little bit more lengthy, but I love how solid the bag looks. I like the color. And then this other one looks fairly simple. It's just all single crochet, and then the handles are done with some material, which I think is such a smart idea. You could use any material and just create any style that you want. Going back to a checkered bag, again, it has to be one of my faves. I don't know why I like checkered bags so much, but this one looks really cool. It just depends if you can be bothered doing, you know, kind of the tapestry part of it. We now have this very large round bag. I feel like this might take a little bit of time. Again, single crochet, just a little bit lengthier to work up. And then I thought I would include some shoulder bags. I actually couldn't find too many patterns for shoulder bags, but again, I've got a checkered one here, and then I've included this nice simple small shoulder bag. And then I included this other one, which I feel like is a little bit more fancy, a bit more chic. It's done with like a thicker type of yarn. I'm actually not exactly sure what material. Moving on to bookmarks. So we've got this love heart bookmark. This would take no time at all. Simple rectangle bookmark with like tassels at the end. And then if you want to create like a little bit of a pattern, we've got this one here. It looks like it's done with more of a lacy type of yarn, so something a little bit thinner. We've got some flower bookmarks, which I've made a few for myself. Not this particular pattern, but I mean, they're not really hard to like make up on the spot. And we have this star stitch bookmark. I just love the look of a star stitch, and I can't believe I've never done it before. And then I thought this one was quite like creative. I actually have never seen a corner bookmark, but this is just so pretty and dainty and elegant. And then of course we've got to include the granny square one, because I feel like granny squares just slip into every category regardless of what you're making. I wasn't sure whether to include these ones because they're a little bit niche, but I think they're cute. So we've got this bunny rabbit bookmark, and I do believe that the pig, the duck and the frog are included on this website as well. And then we've also got this lizard bookmark. And then we've got a classic 4-leaf clover bookmark. We've got another flower bookmark. I think this is probably one of my faves. I just love a good flower bookmark. Love how it's like multiple flowers connected to each other. The next one I've got is a crescent bookmark. Again, very pretty and delicate. I love the look of this one. I've got another rectangle one, but this one's like a little bit chunkier. I actually think when I was looking at the pattern for this one, she had two skeins of yarn, and she was crocheting with 2 pieces of yarn at a time, if that makes sense. So it's like nice and chunky. We also have this sunflower bookmark, and then last but not least, I've got another rectangle bookmark with like a bead and a full tassel. And the next category I've got are flowers. So if you want to make a flower bouquet, you can. I think this idea is just like one of the cutest ideas. It's just something that someone can keep forever. I don't know, I would really appreciate it if someone crocheted me a flower bouquet. I cannot remember what the channel name is, but I'll have it on the screen anyway. But she makes the most beautiful bouquets I've ever seen, and she includes like little bees, or like if she does a Halloween one, she does like little ghosts in the flowers. I don't know, it's just so cute. So all these patterns are actually going to take you to YouTube videos. You definitely should subscribe to her channel because she's got the most beautiful things. So we've got a puffy flower pattern, we've got the sunflower pattern, we've got the tulip pattern, daisy, lavender, and we've got a rose pattern. So I've put all her videos down below if you want to check them out. I wanted to include a few like little toiletry / makeup bags. So I've got a drawstring makeup pouch, and then I've got this crochet pencil case / toiletry / makeup bag. This is a YouTube video, but this looks like something I would love to make. And then I've got another video tutorial to this Pinterest bubble crochet clutch. I've got another bubble crochet clutch bag. I just thought I'd include this one because the styles of both of those are just like a tiny bit different. And the next one I've got is kind of like that classic crochet makeup bag / pencil case tutorial. And then this one's a little bit more cutesy. Again, wasn't sure whether to include this, but this one is for a strawberry and flower design makeup bag. And then this is the last one I've actually got for the little makeup pouches. Next category is slippers / socks. I feel like you can't go wrong with these. First one, very simple, basic, nothing unique to it, just a nice slipper sock. And then we've got some chunky cable crochet slippers, and then we've got some chunkier crochet slippers with a bit of fluff around the ankle. I actually tried to make these for Jared, and then I realized the yarn I had was actually too thick and they looked so funny. And then we've got like a pair of like longer socks. And then if you want to really kick it old school, I've also got the granny square slippers. I feel like I could see my grandmother wearing these. The next ones I've got are like a 2-color slipper sock. And these ones actually have like a base and top, I believe crocheted separately and then sewn together. And then we've got the UGG inspired slipper sock. These look so comfortable. And the last one I've got is this easy crochet slippers. So we're going to move on to pillows, and the first pattern I've got for you is this 70s vintage daisy flower square. And the girl in the video actually created, like, she made a pillow from like the big daisy granny squares essentially, and I just love the colors so much and I love the style. Oh, I don't know, the colors just sing to me. And then something a bit cutesy is this heart-shaped cushion. And then I've got this single crochet velvet pillow. I'm assuming you just crochet 2 sides and sew that together. I also have this very easy crochet pillow cover. Doesn't look as big as the last one, and this pillow is an alpine stitch pillow. I have no idea how to do an alpine stitch, but I love the look of it, so I thought I would include it. This next one I just love the look of. It's like, I was going to say a sausage. I don't know what shape you would call that, but it's got the tassels on the end, and I think it's just so cute, like whether you're putting it on your bed or your couch. I've included this tapestry pillow. I think this one's really cute, and if you're Australian, I'm sure you could change it to mum with a U, but regardless, I just think it's such a nice one. I feel like this would be a nice gift for any time of the year. We've got a nice beginner friendly pillow, which is this circle pillow, and then I've also of course got a granny square pillow included. So this one popped up when I was obviously searching for patterns, and I thought I had to include it just because, I don't know, I haven't seen someone crochet a floor pillow before, and I think they are so cute. And then we've got this mustard pillow, we've got a heart pillow. It's still square, but the heart is crocheted in the middle. I've got this rainbow pillow, and to be honest, I'm assuming you would just switch color as you're crocheting this, which might be a bit annoying, but I love the look of it. And then we've got another tapestry pillow with these flowers on it. And then I think the last 2 that I've got is an evil eye pillow, of course, and these flower pillows. So the first one is a no-sew pillow, which is awesome, and then this one is like that classic daisy pillow, which is one of my faves. I think I finally filmed the video. I think that's all the patterns that I've got. I feel bad for just constantly going, and then I've got this, and then I've got that, and this is really cute. I can't describe everything that I'm talking about, otherwise we're going to be here all day and you're just here for some free patterns. I'm so happy I got to film and complete this video finally, and I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see any other videos like this, let me know, but I think next time I'm going to film some crochet with me's, because yeah, it's so funny. I just didn't realize how much work go into these types of videos, to find all the patterns, get all the links, get all the photos, and then go through them on your phone and then put them into this video. It's a lot, but I love watching these videos myself. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you have any crochet channels that do crocheting that you think I would like to watch, let me know. I love finding crafty sewing, crochet, knitting channels. I'm all about that lately, so let me know down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye.